A. A says a. Apple. B. B says b. Ball. Bee. C. C says cat. Carrot. Cupcake. D says dog. Dinosaur. Duck. Diamond. E says egg. Envelope. Elephant. F. Frog. Fish. Fire. G says giraffe. G says game. G says grape. H says heart. H says hat. I says ice cream. Igloo. Iguana. J says jellyfish. Juice. Jump. K says kite. Koala. L says ladder. Lamp. Lion. M says monkey. Mittens. Mushroom. N says nest. Needle. Necklace. O says octopus. Owl. orange. He says p, pear, pig, pie, paper. Q says queen, quilt, question. R says rabbit, ring, rainbow. S says snake, strawberry, sock. E says table, tree, toothbrush. U says up, umbrella, unicycle. V says vegetable, vase, vest. Says watermelon, wash, window, watch. X says X-ray, xylophone. Y says yam, yo-yo, yarn. Z says zucchini, zebra, zipper. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I will leave a link to this resource in the description box. Have a great day and happy learning. Thank you.